Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix a common headache on Shopify, the sold out product issue. If you've ever had a product show as out of stock, even when you have more to sell, this quick tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know how to update your product inventory so shoppers can buy from you again, and you won't miss out on sales. Let's jump right in. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard and look for the Products tab on the left-hand side. Click on that, and you'll see a list of all the products in your store. Right away, you should spot the item that's stuck at 0 in stock. This is the one causing the sold out message on your site. It might look like a red warning or just a simple 0 by the inventory count. It's easy to miss, but it's crucial. Until you fix this, customers can't add the product to their cart. Now, to get this product selling again, just click on the product name. This will open up all the details for that specific item. Here's where you want to slow down for a sec. Look for the inventory section. Sometimes it's midway down the page, so you may need to scroll. This section tells Shopify exactly how many you have on hand. In the available field, you'll see that 0 again. Let's change that. Think about how many units you actually have ready to sell. Maybe you just restocked, or you found a few extras in the warehouse. Enter that number into the available box. For example, if you have 10 t-shirts ready to go, just type in 10. It's really important to double check this number because whatever you put here is what your customers can actually buy. If you overestimate, you might end up selling more than you can ship, which can quickly get confusing and lead to customer disappointment. Once you've entered the new stock number, take a moment to confirm that everything looks correct. Now, look for the Save button, usually up in the right-hand corner or near the bottom if you scroll. Click it. Don't skip this step. If you navigate away before saving, your changes won't take effect, and your product will still appear as sold out. It's a small detail, but it's easy to forget in the rush of running an online store. After you save, let's go back to the products page. This is a good habit just to double-check that your update worked. Find your product in the list, and you should now see the updated stock number instead of 0. If everything looks good, congratulations, your product is back in stock and ready for shoppers to buy again. Shopify will automatically update your storefront, so customers will see the product as available, and they can purchase just like normal. And that's really all there is to it. Fixing a sold-out product on Shopify only takes a minute or two, but it can make a huge difference in your sales. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or if you ran into any trouble, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Shopify tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!